If you love handmade accessories, then you need to see how I made these pendants and earrings. Items I used are seashell charms with star sequins and pearl, earring hooks, jump ring, necklace cord with lobster clasps, and of course, one of the items that I used is not here, which is the plier. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made these super cute earrings and pendant necklace for kids. They are colorful, lightweight, and very easy to make. So first thing first. So this is me selecting the items from the box and getting ready to start. I really love this one because of the pastel colors and glitter details. Then they look so cute and playful. So next I brought out the hangers I'll be using for the earrings. So you'll be needing two hangers, of course. I also brought out one jump ring, which I'll be using for the neck. For the necklace. Yeah. Okay. So if you look at the rope, it's not something the tiny hole can pass through in. So you need the jump ring to connect or to help you fix in the rope easily. So I carefully fix in the jump ring into the hole of the seashell, and I tried as much as I could to make sure there is no space in between to allow the rope or the shell fall off. No, it's as tight as possible. Then I carefully fixed onto the necklace cord. And honestly, I really love how cute and simple it turned out. Just look at it, so cute. So next I took the earring hanger. I gently opened a little part where you can easily hang something. I opened it and fixed in the seashell and locked it back. I made sure it's as tight as possible, as you can see. So I repeated the same thing for the second earring, so both sides could match perfectly. And honestly, I really love how cute and simple it turned out. This would be perfect for kids, birthdays, gifts, or just cute fashion accessories. The best part is that you can recreate this with different colors and charms. So make your own unique style. For those of you that have been trying to go into business and you don't know where to or what to start with, here is a good idea, especially when you're creative. So you can do your packaging and sell this out, and I promise you're going to sell a lot. This is actually a beautiful idea. We have lots of children out there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY videos, fashion ideas, and creative tutorials. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.